हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्य पिहितं मुखम्
तत्त्वं पूषन्नपावृणु
सत्यधर्माय दिष्टये सत्यधर्माय दिष्टये सत्यधर्माय दिष्टये हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्य पिहितं मुखम् तत्त्वं पूषन् अपावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये ब्रह्मण्याधाय कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यतेन स पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्भसा
One who remains detached and surrenders all actions to the Lord. Sin does not touch such a person, just as a lotus leaf is untouched by water.
राधे राधे।
Radhe Radhe. How are you, Mukund? Huh? How is your poetry writing progressing?
I am trying to master words and musical notes, Swamiji. It needs an entire lifetime.
Absolutely true, brother. Come, sit down. Is he your son?
Yes, Swamiji. I spoke to you about him.
What is your name, son?
Ram Tanu Pandey. They also call me Tanna at home.
Mukund.
Yes.
His name has a melody to it. Son, I hear you mimic the sounds of birds and animals perfectly. Let me hear some too.
Take Swamiji's blessing, son.
Mukund,
Lord,
he chirps in tune. Now, roar a bit, son. You roar in Drupad.
Swamiji, I endeavor perfection in poetry and music. My son should not end up mimicking birds and animals. Therefore, I brought him to your feet, Swamiji. If you take him under your care, he will find a direction in his life.
Son, will you learn and master music with me?
Yes.
Swami Haridas of Vaishnav tradition of the Nimbar Sampradaya, who had once been a singer at the court of the king of Gwalior, started training Ramtanu in the Drupad form of Indian classical music.
हरि को ऐसोई सब पे हरि को
Where is your attention, Tanna? Do not lie. What were you thinking?
I was just wondering, when will I be able to sing like you?
when you discover the supreme purpose of singing,
Meaning?
meaning the supreme goal.
That means?
For some people, it is about filling their stomachs. For some, it's about gaining success and fame. To some, mere sensual enjoyment. And for some people, it is yoga.
ज्यों ही तुम राखत हो, ज्यों ही रही तू है हो हरि, और अचरचे पाई धरो, सूतो का कौन के पेंड भरी, ज्यों ही तुम राखत हो, ज्यों ही रही तू है हो हरि, और अचरचे पाई धरो, सूतो कहाँ कौन के पेंड भरी, ज्यों ही
Radhe, Radhe. Tanna, you have learned all that I could possibly teach you. Now your further sadhana at mastering musical notes is your own pilgrimage.
Ramtanu Pandey received training in music from Swami Haridas and returned to Gwalior. At Gwalior, on one hand, he used to sing at the Shiv temple, and at other times, he would accompany the Sufi saint Sheikh Muhammad Ghaus. With the influence of Sheikh Muhammad Ghaus, Ramtanu Pandey reached the royal court of Gwalior.
धनि रे ग म ध म म ग ग रे रे नि नि ध ध ध ध ध म म म ग ग ग रे 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 नि 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 ध ध रे ध ग म ग रे ध.
Very good, Pandit ji. Wonderful.
Beg your pardon, Your Majesty, may I say something?
Tell me, Baiju.
Pandit ji should not be called Ramtanu Pandey, but Pandit Tansen. His musical notes have a blend of Swami Haridas's devotional tradition and Pir Sheikh Muhammad Ghaus Sahib Sufi tradition.
Baiju has given you a new name. Now ask something from me too, Tansen.
I have heard from Ghaus Sahib that Goddess Saraswati dwells in the voice of Queen Mrignayani. If only I get a chance to hear her, I shall consider myself to be fortunate.
Noom ta na noom ta, 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 noom ta na noom ta. Re ma pa ma re ni re sa sa. Noom ta na na noom ta na na noom ta na na noom ta na, noom ta na na noom ta na noom ta na noom ta na, noom ta na noom ta na, noom ta na noom ta na.
Pa ni sa re ma ma re sa ni sa re ma pa, pa ni sa re ma ma re sa ni sa re ma pa, Pamare mare zare zani zare nisa. Pamare mare zare zani zare nisa.
Noom tananana noom tananana noom tananana noom tananana.
Sare ni sare ma pamare ma pa ni sare ni sa 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 ni 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 pa 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 ma 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 re re sa.
Sare ni sare ma pa ma re ma pa ni sare ni sa 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 ni 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 pa 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 ma 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 re re sa.
Sare ni sare ma pa ma re ma pa ni sare sa 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 ni 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 pa 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 ma 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 re re sa.
Noom tananana noom tananana noom tananana tananana noom.
At the Gwalior Gharana, Tansen's style came under the influence of Baiju and Mrignani. Here is where Tansen met Hussaini. He then married Hussaini, and after the death of King Man Singh, Tansen went to Rewa's king Ramchandra Baghel.
खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जाए. खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जाए. मोहे सुहागन की ने मोसे नैना मिले के. छाप तिलक सब छीने मोसे नैना मिले.
Wonderful, Tansen, wonderful. If Amir Khusro's words are heard in Tansen's voice, the words take on a different meaning altogether. Wonderful. Very good.
Pardon my impudence, my lord. The magic lies in Amir Khusro's words.
Benevolent king, Jalaluddin Kurchi has come from Agra from Emperor Akbar's message.
The emperor desires that Tansen should be in his service.
Is it the emperor's order or request?
The emperor has expressed his desire.
Then it would be entirely up to Tansen to decide.
So then, what have you decided?
I have been in Rewa King's service for 7 years. How can I give it up?
But not everyone gets a chance to sing at Emperor Akbar's court. Besides, what comparison can there be between Rewa's king and Mughal emperor? I've heard that Emperor Akbar's court is filled with competent and accomplished people.
Hussaini, we will go to Agra.
तेनी लोक के ताप निवारण. तेनी लोक के ताप निवारण. सूर शाम सेवक सुखकारी. मोहन मुख परवारे. मोहन के मुख परवारे. मोहन के मुख परवारे. मोहन के मुख परवारे.
Wonderful. Very good. Panditji, you are truly Tansen. Henceforth you shall be called Mia Tansen at the Mughal court. So Mia Tansen, now tell me who sings better than you?
My Guru, Haridas.
If you are the best, then what would he be?
Pure.
I would like to invite him to the court.
Pardon my impudence, Emperor. But he sings only at the court of Radha Krishna.
Then I could go to their court.
Pardon my insolence, my lord. But he sings only for Krishna, that too, only when Radha asks him to.
Then can I not hear him?
In order to listen to him, you will have to forget your kingship.
Birbal, a Haridas or Surdas or Tulsidas, why is it that they don't come to my court?
Pardon my insolence, Your Majesty, but neither are Haridas, Surdas or Tulsidas afraid of you, nor do they expect any comfort from you or anyone else. They want neither fame nor glory, nor name, no possession or position they desire. So, your authority cannot work over them.
And in order to meet Swami Haridas, Tansen and Akbar arrived at Vrindavan.
Radhe, Radhe. I hear that you've become a gem at Akbar's court.
It's due to your grace, Swamiji.
It's good. It's good. If Akbar remains amid the brightness of talented gems, he will shine. Else he will remain just a stone.
A few days passed by, and yet Akbar did not hear a single note in Haridas's voice. And then suddenly,
Ramtanu,
Yes, Gurudev.
Radha Rani commands. Sing something for Lalla.
हरि नाम को आलस क्यों करत है रे, काल फिरत सरसांधे। हरि नाम को आलस क्यों करत है रे, काल फिरत सरसांधे। हरि नाम को।
Ramtanu, why are you singing incorrectly? Radharani will say that I did not teach you properly. Come on. Now you sing with me.
हरि नाम को आलस क्यों करत है रे, काल फिरत सरसांधे। हरि नाम को आलस क्यों करत है रे, काल फिरत सरसांधे। हरि नाम को। कछु न चलत जब, कही हरिदास कछु न चलत जब, आवत हाथ की आंधे। हरि नाम को आलस क्यों करत है रे, काल फिरत सरसांधे। हरि नाम को, हरि नाम को, हरि नाम को।
Emperor, did you like this fakir singing? Your tears express the depth of your love for music. And my Ramtanu, Tansen cannot possibly be so unskilled that he would err in singing the right note. Even I can understand this much, that he made the mistake in order to make me sing. And you are not quite accustomed to bow like servants, Emperor. Come, O King, sit here. I appreciate your desire to know and your humility.
I did not understand one thing, Mia Tansen. You are the best, You are Tansen, but still you are not Swami Haridas. I'm unable to catch that difference.
Emperor, it is not related to singing. It is to do with the depth of feelings. And there is a big difference. I sing for you. But Gurudev sings for his worshipful Lord. He does not sing to gain praise. He is not concerned with the audience, the crowd, or the society. He sings everything for Radharani and Krishna. He fears neither evaluation, nor criticism, nor any kind of failure. He sings fearlessly with deep feelings.
What are you afraid of, Tansen?
I am afraid of losing what I have attained, of falling from where I am. But Swami Haridas is free of all such desires. His every action is meant only for the Lord. Emperor, my Gurudev has reached a stage where a person and his actions become one. That is why my Guru is superior to me.
Art lovers, that is the reason. An action dedicated to the Supreme, which is performed selflessly and also without any kind of ego, is called Karma Yoga. This Karma Yoga, done as an offering to God, is known as Ishwararpan Buddhi. At the time of performing a duty, Ishwararpan Buddhi, and at the time of receiving the results thereof, Prasad Buddhi, is known as Karma Yoga. Prasad Buddhi means whatever one gets in life is considered is called prasad from the Lord and is gladly accepted as such, so that in success or failure, in honor or dishonor, etc., in all situations, equanimity is there. Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. It is needless to say, whatever activity a Karma Yogi decides to undertake, he attains success and excellence in it. Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam, meaning dexterity in action is yoga. So, such is the greatness of Karma Yoga. You have a right only to action, not to the result. The purpose of your action should not be the results thereof, and nor should you indulge in inactivity.
Yasya prasadat bhavamangalartha prasuta gangopanishad vishuddha samarpayamo guru chinmayaya bhuyat prasannasya shiva swarupa